Are you accidentally sabotaging your authority in meetings? Every time you start a sentence with "I think," you might be signaling hesitation. Today, we're going to fix that. I'll lead you through 3 levels: professional, strategic, and finally, the executive level. Stay for level 3, where I'll reveal the exact verb global leaders use to frame decisions without sounding aggressive. By the end, we'll test your ears with the Shadow Listen Challenge. Shadowing Zone. Engineer your fluency. Let's start with a powerful shift. Instead of a personal feeling, offer a professional observation. From my perspective, we should consider this specific option. Perspective moves the conversation from what you feel to what you see as a professional. Listen and repeat. From my perspective, we should consider this specific option. Now, match the pace with confidence. From my perspective, we should consider this specific option. That was a great start. Let's add more weight to your words. In a boardroom, the person with the most authority isn't the one with the most facts, but the one with the most powerful language. Replace "I think" with a phrase that makes you look like an executive immediately. Moving to the strategic level. To be truly persuasive, you need to link your confidence to the facts. Based on current data, I am confident this is the path. Linking confidence to data makes your opinion nearly impossible to dispute. Based on current data, I am confident this is the path. Speak it now with the authority of facts. Based on current data, I am confident this is the path. Now you sound convincing. Ready for the executive peak we mentioned? This is the language of leadership. I am inclined to believe we must advance this strategy. Inclined suggests you've carefully weighed all options before speaking your mind. I am inclined to believe we must advance this strategy. Final round. Deliver it with absolute elegance. I am inclined to believe we must advance this strategy. Excellent. Now, let's see if your ears are as sharp as your speech. Close your eyes. I'm going to give you a punchy executive sentence. Only 5% of listeners catch this phrasing from the first attempt. Catch every word. Your data-driven perspective makes me inclined to reassess our whole strategy. Did you catch that? Write the full sentence in the comments below. By mastering these nuances, you are already entering the shadowing zone, where linguistic elegance becomes your second nature. To see how this authority translates into your written communication, you must check our session on refining your email tone next. Because in the high-stakes world of business, your voice is your most valuable asset. Your language is the ultimate reflection of your professional potential. Replay this session during your commute until these phrases become yours. Your social capital depends on the words you choose. I'll see you in the next session.